If you think using a condom is simple, you might be doing it wrong. Believe it or not, many people skip crucial steps that put them at risk. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through the right way to use a condom step by step, backed by expert research and some surprising facts along the way. Ready? Let's jump in. Segment 1. Why this matters, you might be wondering. Why is it so important to learn how to use a condom properly? Well, according to the CDC, when used correctly, condoms are 98% effective at preventing unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections (STIs). But here's the kicker: most people don't use them correctly, reducing that effectiveness to just 85%. Yikes, right? Segment 2. Step-by-step guide. Alright, let's break it down step by step. Trust me, following these tips will make a big difference. Step 1. Check the expiration date. Yes, condoms expire. Using an expired condom increases the chance of it breaking, so always check that date first. If it's past due, toss it out. Step 2. Inspect the packaging. Make sure the wrapper isn't torn or damaged. If it's compromised, grab a fresh one. Step 3. Open it carefully. Don't use your teeth or sharp nails to open it. One slip, and you could puncture the condom. Step 4. Pinch the tip. This is a pro tip. Always pinch the tip before rolling it on. This leaves space for semen and prevents it from breaking. Step 5. Roll it down correctly. Make sure it's right side up. If it doesn't unroll easily, it's probably upside down. Start over with a new one. No shortcuts here. Step 6. After the action, remove it carefully. Hold the base when pulling out to avoid any accidents. Tie a knot and dispose of it in the trash. Never flush it. Segment 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Quick bonus. Let's clear up a few common mistakes that can ruin the protection condoms offer. Double wrapping. 2 condoms aren't better than one. The friction can cause them to break. Double quotes. No lubrication. Always use a water-based or silicone-based lubricant. Oil-based products like Vaseline can weaken the condom. Storing in hot places. Your wallet or car glove compartment isn't a safe spot. Heat damages the material. Segment 4. Study facts and importance. A study published in the Journal of Adolescent Health found that comprehensive condom education reduces STI rates by up to 40%. Pretty convincing, right? The takeaway here is simple. Knowledge is power, and using condoms the right way is one of the easiest ways to protect yourself and your partner. Now that you know the proper way to use a condom, you're all set for safer and stress-free experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips. Oh, and check out these related videos for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.